Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first you draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F for fish, F for fan, G for goat, G for grapes. Kids again use red color and draw H for hand, H for horse, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids write J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use blue color, the alphabets of J, K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use blue color and draw M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest, O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use blue color and draw P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids night R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color, the alphabets of R. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use yellow color and draw T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids again use yellow color and draw V for van, V for vanilla, W for wolf, W for watch. Kids again use yellow color and draw X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use green color, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. Kids again use green color and draw 7. S-E-V-E and 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10. T-E and 10. The alphabets of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.